Hello, Wilmington City School team. This is McCarty-Stewart here with a message of appreciation and support. I wanted to thank all of you again for our amazing way that we have been able to open up our school district, as well as moving into our green zone of learning for our second quarter. Again, it has been widely successful. We have very few COVID cases within our school system and very limited to that being traced to exposure within our school system. This morning, I had the opportunity and privilege to join a Zoom conference call with Lieutenant Governor Husted and Governor DeWine, as well as Clinton County leaders. We were discussing the current status of Ohio and as well as Clinton County. And I had the opportunity to brag about the staff and students of Wilmington City Schools, and that certainly has gone recognized by Governor DeWine and his staff, as well as our Clinton County Health District. We know that the efforts that we are making and many school districts are making to be in compliance with facial coverings and masks and health and safety protocols is we are learning that schools are not the place where the spread of the virus is happening. However, we do recognize that we're growing very concerned about what is happening in Ohio and specifically in our community. And I'm reaching out to you. We need your help. You are the influencers. You are so well connected to your students and to the families. And in the days and weeks and months to come, it is very important to help spread the word about what we are doing outside the school day, the choices that we are making, wearing our masks in public, making the sacrifice to limit social gatherings, and being very cautious is going to be so important for the safety and well-being of ourselves, our families, our schools, and our community. So I just wanted to give you a shout out to let you know how much I appreciate all of you. And again, just everything that you can do to help us to know we are together and we are hurricane strong. Take care.